Example 3, finding the measure of an angle. It is given that the measure of angle E equals 75 degrees. What is the measure of angle F? So notice that this is the bow tie / butterfly theorem, and the measure of angle GEH and the measure of angle GFH both share arc GH. So notice that arc GH is used by angle E and also by angle F. So since they both share the same arc, they will also share the same angle. So we know that the measure of angle F equals 75 degrees because they both intercept arc GH.